We do everything together and can't keep us apart. When days are happy or skies are blue, everything is better when I'm with you, with my friend. Good morning, my friends, and happy Good Friday. Miley and I are gonna go out for a quick walk, and I just wanna say happy birthday, Mom. Oh, he's very anxious to go. Just gonna be a quick walk, guys. Come on, you. Okay, I'm just gonna let Miley off the leash, and she can stretch her legs a little bit here. Here, Miley. Okay, run. Have some fun. Just stay out of the burrs, okay? I think we're gonna stay off the path today, at least for right now, okay? Let's go this way. You know, the most valuable thing any of us have is our time. And I just want to thank you for spending this time with us. Just a few minutes to hang out with a guy and his dog. Wow. So, I agree with the sign. I'm just wondering where the camera is. Not in the path yet. Not yet. Is it ball? Is it ball?